How to run a script in the background even after I log out SSH? I have Python script service.py and I want it to run all the time, because it is part of the web service I build. How can I make it run continuously even after I log out SSH?
Run nohup python service.py to get the script to ignore the hang-up signal and keep running. Output will be put in nohup.out. Ideally, you'd run your script with something like supervise so that it can be restarted if, when, it dies.
If you've already started the process, and don't want to kill it and restart under nohup, you can send it to the background, then disown it. Ctrl+Z, suspend the process. VG, restart the process in the background. Disown %1, assuming this is job number 1, use jobs to determine.
Running a Python script in the background. First, you need to add a shebang line in the Python script which looks like the following. This path is necessary if you have multiple versions of Python installed, and /user/bin/env will ensure that the first Python interpreter in your $path environment variable is taken. You can also hardcode the path of your Python interpreter, for example #!/user/bin/python3, but this is not flexible and not portable on other machines. Next, you'll need to set the permissions of the file to allow execution. Now you can run the script with nohup, which ignores the hang-up signal. This means that you can close the terminal without stopping the execution. Also, don't forget to add and so the script runs in the background. If you do not add a shebang to the file, you can instead run the script with this command. The output will be saved in the nohup.out file, unless you specify the output file like here. If you have redirected the output of the command somewhere else, including /dev/null, that's where it goes instead. If you're using nohup, that probably means you want to run the command in the background by putting another "and" on the end of the whole thing. You can find the process and its process it with this command. PS stands for process status. If you want to stop the execution, you can kill it with the kill command.
You could also use new screen, which just about every Linux/Unix system should have. If you are on Ubuntu/Debian, its enhanced variant by Obu is rather nice too.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.